Good morning, world. I'm just making coffee this morning, and gonna see if I couldn't rearrange my car last night or yesterday because it was 25-mile-an-hour winds. Couldn't do much of anything really. It was kind of miserable. But today I'm gonna try and do that, and also I'm gonna try and put that engine flap back on, but I don't even know if I can get under my car. So after we have coffee, we're gonna start that. And I didn't have much to do yesterday because of that wind. So hopefully I'll be able to go on a little hike today and see what that's all about. So I'm gonna wake up and I'll check you out in a bit. Blue Water Lake State Park Canyonside Trail. Caution, this trail is steep and rocky in places with sharp drop-offs and unimproved stream crossings. Watch for rattlesnakes. I don't think I will be attempting that. Now, hello world. This is day 3. And I have been doing nothing but sorting through my car and getting rid of some stuff again. And I thought I'd take a little walk because I want to see what's on the east side of this cliff. So let's see if we can find an opening and no rattlesnakes. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, I was gonna tell you too. The woman that I met, who's van life in it, she is going the same way I am, and so we decided to. Oh wow, that's pretty. Isn't that pretty? We decided to travel together for a bit. So we're gonna find some boondocking. Now that if you're with somebody, to me, it's a lot safer. Obviously, duh. But and plus, it's like she said, you'll get used to it too. The lake is on the other side. Yeah, probably getting wind noise, no doubt. I told you when I started this, I have nothing but a camera, none of that fancy schmancy stuff. So, ooh, really pretty. All right, I'll see you later. Hey guys, guess where I'm at? You'll never believe. Connie turned me on to this. We're staying here, I don't know for how long, but basically, guess what this is? Can you tell? Can you tell? All right. This is called Junkyard on 66 Brewer. It's actually a junkyard with a bar. I know, and it's right off the 40. And you can stay here for free. They are really, really cool people. Sorry for the wind. But they sponsor people that are doing the harvest and just people in general. So we'll get to know more here later. And right here is the entrance to Junkyard on 66 Brewer. Hello world, we're back. I'm just going to give you an overview of the inside. Really cool, huh? Maria's going to tell you about what the haps are when they're open. All that good stuff. Oh, this is so cool. I love it. I was telling these guys years ago when I had the money, I was wanting to open up a bar / laundromat. This is kind of the front entrance. You would love it. I'm not kidding, you guys. We're gonna meet Maria here. She's gonna tell you all about it, right, Maria?
Yes, I am.
All right. So basically, we're open what days?
7 days a week.
7 days a week. Right on. And you're right off the 40, about
Route 66.
Oh, Route 66. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay. So, like, if I was coming from,
So if you're either going east or west, we're right off of I-40, about 3 blocks off the freeway. But old Route 66 travels right in front of our business.
right on. And can you tell us your address just so they can Google it?
To be honest with you,
We'll put that in later. No worries.
yeah. Let's do that.
All right. Okay. So what's gonna happen tonight? It's Friday night.
So tonight we should have between 10 and 12 Harvest Host guests. A lot of our locals will join us tonight as well, so we should have a full house.
Right. Yeah. What happens on a Friday night?
Well, the freaks come out on Friday.
Freaks come out on Friday. What happens on Saturday night? All right, you guys. This is Zoe, living life without a plan. This is how I roll. And we're out. So here we go. It's not sleepy in this video. Good morning, world. Well, I am leaving Albuquerque and driving about 2 hours east. Gonna stay at a state park. Got a shower. But that's the plan. Nothing real exciting happening. Topography is, let's see here. Just some farmland, I guess. So, that's all I know. Check you out later. Right on. Oh my goodness. This is a big lake. I'd like to go fishing for sure. This is Santa Rosa State Park.